My full name is Hairullah Huzinov. Now I'm going to submit my final presentation. The presentation is about the linking words of the contrast. The firstly that we can see the learner profile here. The learner profile describes a learner and it gives more information about the learner. The selected learner of this project is Kurbanova Shaifa, and I kindly asked her to take part in this project, and she agreed. Then we started working with her. The I'm going to give some information about the selected learner of this profile. Our learner has a super awesome language skill, and her English level is advanced, and her writing style is completely academic, and she graduated with Backstate World Language University, and nowadays she's pursuing her degree at Webster University of America. And in terms of her character, she's really open-minded. Descriptive of learner's written work, and here I thoroughly examined the learner's analyzed the learner's linking written work. Then, as I said, that she is really master at writing, and she in her writing can see that coherence and cohesions, that flow ideas are really brilliant and awesome, and she could completely take advantage of really academic vocabulary. And her writing is academic. I mean that the samples have been written in academic form. That everything is nice with the written works, so that mistakes which kind of hooked my attention is like about linking words of contrast. I mean that linking words, especially the linking words of contrast. So she tend to make a slightly mistakes in the usage of this particular grammar topic. I really want you focus on the next stage. In the next stage, theoretical part has been described. I mean that it contains next stage contains the theoretical part. That here that we can see that several scientists saying and their research and their view towards the linking words. And the first of all, here that I highly appreciate the thing of true Theo, and according to from his perspective, like in his view, linking words of contrast actually does not underline anything in the sentence, but they plays really titanic role in the kind of context, or in the written work, or the kind of in the speech delivery. So that I mean that as they deals with kind of morphosyntactic and kind of lexic meaning. And then other scholars also indicated their view towards the toward this topic. So that about the structure of the lesson plan, that the lesson plan contains the 4 activities. That first of all, that first activity let a learner to take a clear picture of a topic, and then I will move to the other activities. Then the first activity will kindly ask a learner to fill the gap with the proper linking words, and especially that linking words of the contrast, as the main problem is linking words of the contrast here. And then the second activity. In the second activity, I took advantage of the technology, as due to the favor of the technology, we get a chance to make our lesson much more colorful and fruitful. That's why, thus I applied for the technology. The video is about ebook, about kind of ebook and the physical books, and then the learners are supposed to watch the video. Then while watching the video, they are required to underline every single linking words, and this also consolidate their knowledge as well. And then the third activity, grammar as a process. This activity requires learner to reflect what they have learned.